Welcome to another Adventures with the Cohns, and on this adventure, we headed back to Sugarland Visitor Center for a different hike.
Yeah, we're still here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and at this visitor center they have multiple hikes, and we're going to do Cataract Falls today. So we were here a few years ago, and we did Cataract Falls. It's a short little hike, has a little waterfall at the end, so we figured it'd be a good hike for the kids to start out with to see a waterfall.
So come along with us and see what this hike is all about.
Alright, you guys ready? Cataract Falls. Take your shoes off and wade in there, but we're not gonna do it.
I think that's the shallow end.
Is it cold? Oh, you like to put it on Daddy, huh?
If you didn't see, she put water on me.
Oh, it's cold. Ooh, refreshing. All right, let's go over the little bridge. Look, see, this is peaceful. That'd be a cute little picture. I am not taking a turn and going under there. Sorry. Alright, let's go across the bridge.
A pretty water bridge because water's coming under.
Yeah.
And so on the bridge, because it's water under.
So this is where we can go to Cataract Falls or the nature trail that way, but we're gonna go towards the Cataracts Fall.
She just said, I didn't know it was going to be this easy. So this trail is really good for little ones. It's doable. Very good for kids, she says. We're running to the falls.
Wait, there's a falls?
Yes, there is. There's a fall. I'm thinking grammar. There are falls. There's one fall. Whoa. How are people getting up there? Okay, we're not that adventurous.
No. I mean, with a broken back, I can only do so much.
You've got to tell your story.
Again.
Not now. You gotta make a video.
But here's the falls. Fall. Waterfall.
Wow.
Definitely more water here than it was when we were here a couple years ago. Well, there was the waterfall, and while we were there trying to get some pictures, somebody actually proposed while we were there, so it was nice to see that. So right now we're on our way back to the visitor center. Well, there you have it, Cataract Falls. What a hike we did. Girls, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate it?
10.
You heard it from the girls, they call it a 10. And if our girls can do it, your kids can too. So we had a great time going on the hike, going through the nature trail, seeing some of the rifting waters along the side, and actually seeing a waterfall at the end. How cool is that? But we also got to see somebody engaged.
Yeah, we did.
That was a nice touch to the waterfall.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. But also, while you're at it, hit the notification bell so when we upload a new video, you get notified. Thanks again for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.